They blocking up like all the
They're blocking up the whole road
Something's
and the
going on,
sidewalks. Something must really be happening. We shouldn't be doing this. No, we didn't even know this was gonna be happening. We didn't know this was gonna be this thing.
Okay, this story get on my nerves, bro. I know like it's for safety and everything,
I know,
but
like,
stop
you
putting your
niggas-
hand out. We gonna stop. We see you.
Yo, we see you. We have eyeballs.
Everyone,
Like stop.
hey,
Stop.
dog or something.
Like we got it. We get it.
It's literally, it's. I'm sorry, I know, like it's for safety, but it's kind of getting on my nerves.
Oh, you heard that?
OMG.
They went, bam.
I saw somebody.
Oh, not the doggy. Not the doggy.
I love the doggies. Oh my god.
I remember somebody.
Oh my
somebody picked up
God.
the, not the doggy.
Look at her skirt.
Look at that pretty skirt.
His? Her skirt?
That's her skirt.
Yeah.
Look at the doggy. Oh, look at
What's up?
Okay, is this really? But first, can we get some?
Yeah, we gotta get home, man.
Can we get some
I
Popeye?
can't even know, cause like look how everything is like closed and
The
stuff.
top bug, go. Walk.
I don't know.
What? What did I say?
They say we should park the car so we can like walk around and jump. No.
We're not walk around.
No.
You see all these people running? Walk
We
around.
can't walk around.
And a sign says no parking.
Oh my God,
I
Dad,
see a
you're
no
How?
crazy. What are scooter? Scooter.
We shouldn't be doing. It's 4th of July,
Yeah,
but this is
but
too
we're
far.
like imposters among us. Like when like the lights going off or like some saboteurs going on, everyone goes to that direction, and the imposters going the opposite direction they're going. Like all the people,
Yeah.
bro, we're just like that, bro.
Yeah.
I'm scared.
So billions and billions.
Who
of
is
people-
putting out those fireworks? You're going crazy.
Bro, what's going on?
All these
Stop putting
fireworks.
out those fireworks.
Bro, I can't,
You're
you saw that
scaring me.
crowd, bro?
Yeah, you see some fireworks.
It was like a mob of
some
people
fireworks
right
have fire
Somebody's,
in it. Like
somebody's scaring people and they keep putting out fireworks.
Either
It's
fire started because
or-
how much fireworks were there,
Or
or
like-
just how loud they were big.
Or shooting going on.
Yeah, either that.
It's those three.
Because fireworks could start fires.
No, cause if it was a
How
fire,
about-
then like not the police would be called, like the fire department would be
Fire
called.
department, yeah.
So
It
like
would've
that's
been
what I'm
there.
confused about. So we can.
So it's not the fire.
It's not the fire.
Fire doesn't like.
So
how
like the
big
last
they
two
are.
options, either shooting or like how
Probably
big the
not.
fireworks were. Like it's getting too dangerous.
And
for,
they're
like,
loud and
pedestrians.
they look dangerous. Like they're hitting people.
That.
Like downtown.
That.
Why is this place even called downtown? Oh yeah,
It's literally just a
I know.
city, bro.
I know. That's it. Oh yeah. Never mind. Dude, that thing's really big.
Oh, what if we lived here? That'd be
Live
I feel,
here.
like, I feel like Orlando City is smaller than a mud, but I'm not gonna lie.
And all these
Compared to
people-
other cities, this is tiny.
Yeah, of course it is.
I see barely even houses. They're just big apartments. Oh, that's Wells Fargo. Never mind.
You idiot! Talking about some big apartments. First of all, those are called hotels. Second of all, it's a Wells Fargo.
Sorry,
She
I
got
looked at the name.
What?
I don't want to do this. Tiffany, let's get out of
I
here.
don't know, bro. Boys and Girls Club.
A boys and girls.
Let's not. What
Why
is,
is it boys first and girls second now? Like,
wait, what is the Boys and Girls Club?
are you recording me
The.
I mean,
Bro,
guys, stop. Oh my god.
right now? Bro,
I'm not even recording you.
all these people right there? Wait, there's no people no more. It's just cars now.
Oh yeah, over here. Yeah.
It's calm. Can we get a 7-Up? Wait, I remember this. I remember this. I remember this one. Maybe before. It's still standing.
What?
I
still
went,
standing.
I went, I went,
Yeah,
shut
yeah,
up.
yeah.
I went here before, like when I was like younger.
I'm still standing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm still standing. Yeah, yeah. Oh, your ear's cold. I can feel it
Get
on
off
my
my
forehead.
ear.
I can feel it on my forehead.
Go
I'm
fuck
still standing.
You know what?
Yeah.
You know what? Time to put on my secret weapon. Actually, you can't see that, no.
Please, please, please. I won't tell everybody. I'll turn off the cameras.